Hello guys, it's the Big K300 here, back with a new video, which is a unboxing and review of the Chromecast by Google. So let's begin. So looking around the box, you'll see on the front that says Chromecast, the TV streaming device by Google. It has a picture of the product. Mine's the black one. I think they also come in this yellowish color or in red color. You can correct me in the comment section. You can see on the side here it shows a few of the streaming services. This is they can use. And keep in mind that's not just all. This side it shows some more, like movies and TV, music, sports, and the games. Sorry, notification came in on my phone. On the back there's like a diagram showing how to use it. Then on the bottom there's some text telling you what you need and some other stuff. On this side it shows some specs such as 1080p video streaming from the cloud, 2.4/5 gigahertz Wi-Fi with the adaptive antenna system, surround sound support. There's no optical audio nor headphone jack on this. Screen mirroring from Android and laptops, Android devices, iPhone, Mac, iPad, Windows, and Chromebook compatible. It's just telling you that. So let's open up the box. So opening up the box, you'll see this Chrome logo. Then you lift it up. Well, not like this. You lift it from this side over. And then on the top, you'll have a nice presentation of the Chromecast. It's really small, actually. It's one of the small media streamers. So as we pull this out, you'll see we have a little getting started template, and then we have a power cable for the Chromecast. And keep in mind, this is micro USB, so you can also use this using Android phone charger or speaker charger or keyboard case charger. So I'll show you how to set this up. So to set the Chromecast up, you'll need to find a HDMI port on the back of your TV. In this case, there's two empty ones back there you probably can't see. And you plug the HDMI cord that's on it into one, or in my case, one of the two. And then the included power cable you plug into either a wall socket or a USB port on the back of your TV. In this case, I'm plugging it into a wall socket. So let me just do that quickly. Then you'll need to turn on your TV. In my case, this is a Roku TV. You'll wait for it to plug it in, and then you'll go to your HDMI port, and then it will show you this screen. Set me up. Go to chromecast.com/setup. Unfortunately, I cannot show you this because I do not have a way to record my phone screen, because that's the camera I'm filming with. So I'll be back shortly. So how Chromecast works is pretty much you cast something from your cell phone or tablet. Well, I'm sorry, but I can't show you because I don't have a spare cell phone or tablet with me at the time, but there will be a little cast icon up in the corner that you press. So then you can select your TV, and yeah, it pretty much works, and there's no remote included. So it pretty much works straight out of the box. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. My YouTube name is BigK300. Also follow me on Instagram and Google+. I'll see you all later. Bye-bye!